Today's lecture on the aliphatic amine. Firstly, the amines are derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atom replaced by alkyl group. Next, classification of ammonia in which first primary amine in that one hydrogen atom replaced by one alkyl group. This is the example of primary amine. Second one, secondary amine. Two hydrogens are replaced by two alkyl group are known as secondary amine. Third one is tertiary amine in that three hydrogen atoms replaced by three alkyl group are known as tertiary amine. Next, physical properties of amine. First, lower amines are gaseous or low boiling liquid and passes characteristics ammonia like smell. Next, primary and secondary amine are capable of intermolecular hydrogen bonding because they contain NH bond. Because the nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, the intermolecular hydrogen bond between NH are weaker than the between OH due to the less electronegativity of nitrogen and more electronegativity of oxygen. Next, primary and secondary amine have higher boiling point than similar compound but lower boiling point than alcohol that have stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in a alcohol due to the more electronegativity of oxygen and bond between the oxygen and hydrogen. That's why it have lower boiling point than the alcohol. Next, tertiary amine have lower boiling point than primary and secondary. Amines are soluble in organic solvent. Next, method of preparation. First, reaction of alkyl halide with ammonia or amine. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction in which nucleophile, which is a amine or ammonia, act as a nucleophile which react with the alkyl halide to form a alkyl amine. Here's the ammonia which react with bromoethane in which the ammonia which act on the second carbon of the compound and replacement of the bromine from the reaction due to the nucleophilic substitution of the ammonia, then the formation of the ethyl ammonium bromide. Second reaction, Gabriel phthalimide method. It involves the treatment with phthalimide with the potassium hydroxide to form a potassium salt. This salt then heat with the alkyl halide to give an alkyl phthalimide which on react with potassium hydroxide again to form a potassium phthalate salt and primary amine. In this is the phthalimide which react with the potassium hydroxide. Due to the reaction with the potassium hydroxide, hydrogen bond connect to the replaced and attached to the OH molecule. First, upon the breaking homolytic fission between the K and OH, breaking of the K separately and OH. That's why the hydrogen are attracted toward the OH bond and formation of the H2O and K which attach to the nitrogen. Here's the formation of potassium phthalimide which again react with the alkyl halide, the formation of N-alkyl phthalimide which on react with the potassium hydroxide, formation of potassium phthalate and primary amine. That's the reaction is called as Gabriel phthalimide method. Second, reduction of nitroalkane. Reduction of nitroalkane. Primary amine can be obtained by reduction of nitroalkane with hydrogen and reducing agent. Okay, here's the reducing agent is platinum, palladium or nickel. Firstly, the nitroalkane which react with the 3 molecules of H2 and formation of the methylamine plus 2 molecules of water. Next, fourth reaction, reduction of nitriles and isonitriles. In this, the primary amine obtained by reduction of nitrile by using the reducing agent, and secondary amine is obtained by reduction of isonitrile by using the reducing agent. Here the reducing agent we use lithium aluminum hydroxide. Firstly, we reaction with the nitrile or cyanide, both are the same. Firstly, methyl cyanide which react with the 4 molecules of hydrogen in presence of reducing agent, formation of ethylamine which is a primary amine. Second, the reaction with isonitrile which also known as a isocyanide which react with the 2 molecules of H2 in presence of reducing agent, formation of the secondary amine. Next, reduction of amide. Reduction of amide by using the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride to give a primary amide. Same method in which we use only the amide which react with the 4 molecules of hydrogen in presence of reducing agent, formation of the ethylamine and water. Next, Hofmann degradation of amide. It is a good laboratory method for a conversion of amide to pure primary amide. The amide is warmed with the bromine and concentrated sodium hydroxide solution known as a Hofmann rearrangement. Firstly, the amide which react with the 2 molecules of bromine and 4 molecules of concentrated sodium hydroxide, formation of primary amide. Next, chemical reaction. First, salt formation. The amine are a base that react with the mineral acid to form ammonium salt. When these salts are treated with the NaOH, parent amine are liberated. The reaction of amine with HCl which is a mineral acid, we use as a mineral acid. Then the formation of salt, alkyl ammonium chloride. Reaction with the alkyl halide. When amine is react with the alkyl halide, hydrogen atom of the nitrogen atom are successively replaced by one alkyl group, and finally we get the quaternary ammonium salt. Firstly, primary amine when react with the alkyl halide, 1 molecule of alkyl halide, formation of the secondary amine. Again they react with the 1 molecule of alkyl halide, formation of the tertiary amine. Again it react with the 1 molecule of alkyl halide. Finally it forms the quaternary ammonium salt. It react when there is a presence of the hydrogen in the amine, at least one hydrogen in a amine. That's why the last step is quaternary ammonium salt. It not again react with the alkyl halide due to the no presence of the hydrogen atom for replacement of the halide in the compound. Next, reaction with the acid chloride. Primary amine react with the acid chloride and acid anhydride to form N-substituted amide. When secondary amine react with the acid chloride to form NN disubstituted amide, tertiary amine does not give this reaction. Firstly, the acid chloride which react with the methylamine, the formation of the N-methyl acetamide which is primary amine, reaction with the primary amine. Next, carbylamine reaction. Primary amine react with the chloroform and solution of KOH in ethanol to form a isocyanide and 3 molecules of potassium chloride and 3 molecules of water molecules. The tertiary amine does not give this reaction. Firstly, the primary amine which react with the chloroform and potassium hydroxide, formation of isocyanide. When secondary molecule react with the chloroform and 3 molecules of potassium hydroxide, formation of the same process isocyanide, and removal of the potassium chloride and 3 molecules of water molecules, but the tertiary amine does not give this reaction. Next, reaction with carbon dioxide. Primary amine react with the carbon disulfide to form a dithiocarbamic acid. The dithiocarbamic acid undergo decomposition with mercury chloride to give corresponding alkyl isocyanide. The amine which react with the dithiocarbamic acid, which on heat formation of dithiocarbamic acid, which on reaction with mercury chloride, it gives the alkyl isocyanide. Firstly, amine react with the carbon disulfide, which on heat give the dithiocarbamic acid, which on again react with the mercury chloride to form a alkyl isocyanide. The remaining part will be conducted next lecture of the aliphatic amine. Thank you.